We just finished ASCP's 2024 5K here in Chicago. It was a beautiful race. We'll see you next year in Atlanta in November. Be there.
And like the civil rights movement, the struggle to close discriminatory gaps in healthcare is about freedom. Freedom from neglect, freedom from socially imposed limitations, and liberation of the dignity, capabilities, and potential for excellence that dwells in the heart of every human being.
As we face crises every day in this country, and as we know, exacerbated during COVID and healthcare disparities, it's everybody's responsibility. It's all of our fiduciary responsibilities to stand up, to take action, and to build a better place for our children and for our children's children.
I've always argued that good political leadership plus good public health practice saves lives.